All right, as we're prepping for the skin, we want to make sure that all of our welds from our roof raise are nice and smooth, so we don't have, you know, obviously a bump that shows through our sheet metal. So I'm going to run down the side of the bus, make sure all of the welds are nice and smooth, make sure all the rivets that we cut off are completely out so we can drill through the holes, and then we're going to start hanging our first big piece of sheet metal. Okay, so Madeline, we are going to lift the sheet metal up, and we're going to tuck it under here, and you can kind of help guide the metal coming under there, but I don't think it's going to need too much guiding. And then once we have it all in place, we need you to drill through one of these. So like you stand up here, and you're basically just drilling through the sheet metal, and you got to push as hard as you can while you're drilling. We'll need Cheyenne to lift.
You have what? Evan and Evan.
Yeah, the three of us can do it.
The three of us should do it.
Okay, Cheyenne, come on in.
Yeah.
Okay, so Malin,
Yes.
I'm going to take the nut and the washer, because I'm going to put this on the outside. So as soon as you drill the hole, Cheyenne puts the bolt through.
Okay.
Just like that.
What? You're gonna put the bolt through.
All right, any questions? So drilling here, I mean, you could, the further this way you go, the better.
Okay.
So even if you go,
You'll see once we have the sheet metal up where the end is. Stretch.
And I was like,
and then we're going to kind of pull it away, and we're going to put the glue behind it, and that's why I want to use the bolts, so that when we if we just use the Clecos, those might pop out, and then like it go like a guillotine. Those are the Clecos.
is that what they're called, or is that what
You're saying I made up a name?
Yes.
No, Cleco is the.
I don't put it past you.
Cleco is the is Mr. Sam Cleco, was an aircraft builder, and he designed these tools to hold the skins of aircraft in place while you start riveting them.
I think it might, because it's like,
It's the name, it's the sound it makes. It goes Cleco. All right.
Make it pancakes, make it pancakes.
You need to make sure you find gloves.
to the floor. Flame your light, thick as smoke. Put your broken rib off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down. We'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
Where to go? Here?
Where to drill, and it went to the far side.
Right, but at least that'll be our line for square.
Oh, I see. You're back.
Madeline, are you ready?
Yes.
Drill in hand. You know which hole you're gonna drill?
Yes.
Don't drill until we tell you to. Evan? This black line here is where the bottom of your panel needs to go to. Okay?
Okay. Man, I
We're gonna get it inside the metal that you primed.
Okay.
Okay? Ready? Good. I think we need to go Evan's way though a bit.
Yeah, I need to go up a little bit on the side.
Evan, but we need to go. Evan, we need to go your way to be flush with the hatch channel. Good.
And are we still need to go up on the other side?
I'm up.
No, I'm level with mine.
You're level with your line?
Okay, Madeline. I'm gonna actually come down a little bit because I want the visible spot to be level here. Okay, drill.
Okay, you're good. Oh,
That's really hard to do.
Push it through.
Oh, screw.
Yeah, come on. You have one job.
yeah.
I've never used it before.
Your tall muscle.
Yeah.
That's how Dad got his BAM muscles.
Okay, Madeline, you gotta be really quick because if this shifts after you drill a hole, you're not gonna be able to get the screw through. Okay, put the drill back through the hole.
Oh, like from
Just a second, I'll explain it.
Bam from the Alaskan people. Okay.
Yep. Okay, now quickly get the screw in.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
I made an indent on my thumb. It's out of my comfort zone.
Okay, click go that.
There you go.
Is that good?
Yep.
And this is okay for me to pull on?
Yeah, because it's bolted in at the top.
Just don't want this to come down and cut my neck off.
Yeah, that would not be a good thing. So we are gluing the adhesive on right now.
I'll stand on the inside so it'll just come down over my body.
Okay. Look up, Evan.
No?
Okay,
Hold on 1 second.
Definitely. Just a second, just a second. You good?
I'm good.
Okay.
out the window. Don't.
When you're up, you need to get it down. You got it? Kevin, your drops.
Take me away to Neverland. What colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford. Put on something we both know. Let your hair out in the wind. Put the pedal to the floor. Play me live, take a smoke. Put your broken lip on.
Okay, Madeline, drill. Evan, you on your line? Okay.
Okay, get ready.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Ready? You can relax a little bit.
I don't want to read off.
Now, maybe run the drill through the drill one more time. Now, just run the drill through. Yeah, with the bolt in. There we go. All right.
Ah, okay, that's moving.
It's okay.
Well, Mom, I'd say get your thumb out.
How am I supposed to hold it?
Just put your thumb. Stop holding it up.
These ones are hard because it's double thick. What? Well, it's really thick. It's two thicknesses of roof plus two thicknesses of metal plus the hat channel. Ow! Hot part. Then let's go like every other down to the bottom.
What colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories.
Okay.
Rent a car you can't afford. Put on that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind.
So now skip down low.
Flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken lip off. Wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down. We'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we from. We'll still be up, still be up. We ain't this together. We both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up. 'Cause we will still be high when the
This is boring.
Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip off. Wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun up, don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.